So we're ending the week up $155, which is equal to 3.39%. If you guys remember early on in the week when I made the trade recap and closed some of the positions, I was trading right around 4,730-ish. Right now you can see that we ended up the week close to 4,760. So I'm going to go ahead over and explain the couple of positions that I ended up taking from Tuesday all the way to Friday. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I ended up profiting on those positions. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out how. Welcome back to a new video. As always, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So I ended up staying on the sidelines for most of the week. I didn't really enter any new positions up until Thursday. So from Tuesday up until Thursday, the only real position that I had open was the covered call on Ford. So we'll go ahead and start off by explaining what ended up happening with that one. So Ford ended up closing on Friday at $6.23, which was below the strike price that I sold the covered call. The covered call was a $7 strike price, if we can go ahead and check down here, and we sold that for a total premium of $12. And so because Ford ended up below $7, then that means that we were able to keep the full premium. So as of right now, my current cost basis of Ford, it's still going to show up as $7, but because I received a credit from selling the put and now from selling the call, my current cost basis is $6.73. So what I'm going to go ahead and try to do in the next upcoming weeks is try to get it down to below $6.50 and just continue to sell covered calls until they get called away. But that's pretty much it for this one. It's just steady income that's going to keep on going into the account as long as we keep the shares of Ford. So the next two positions I traded were on American Airlines and on MGM. We'll go ahead and explain the MG one first. The MGM I entered on Thursday, and what I ended up doing was selling a $18 strike put for $18. And as you guys can see, it ended out of the money and expired worthless because MGM ended on Friday at $18.12. So we were able to keep the full premium without having to purchase the 100 shares of MGM. I really didn't mind if I got assigned on them just because the premium on MGM is pretty high. We can go ahead and check right now just to show you guys. If you go ahead and look for June 26 and see what we would have gotten if we started selling covered calls on the 18th strike price, which is the one we would have gotten assigned, we can see that it's currently at $1.03 or $103 for each contract that we had. So pretty juicy premiums if we would have gotten assigned. So like I said, I really wasn't worried. So that's why I went so close in the money. We did this basically the same play on American Airlines, but on American Airlines we chose a little bit of a further out of the money strike. We ended up selling the 15.5 if I remember correctly. So we sold the 15.5 also on Thursday for a total credit of $14. It expired worthless because, as you guys can see, the price of American Airlines on Friday ended at $15.80. So on this one we were a lot less likely to get assigned just because the last couple hours American Airlines was trading close to $16. So I really wasn't worried on this one, but like I said, this stock in particular has been offering an insane amount of premium. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now, and so that is why I really didn't care if I got assigned on these. We can see that if we did get assigned, look at the 15.5 call, it's currently trading at $1.20, which means that for every 100 shares that we had, we could go ahead and sell a covered call and receive $120 of premium every single week if we were to get assigned. So it's not really a bad position. It's a risky one, especially because of the volatility that has been going on, but by no means is it a position where I didn't see myself making money. But that's pretty much it. Those are the only two other positions that I ended up taking. If you guys are going to go ahead and see the rest of the positions that I ended up taking in order to make $155, make sure to go look back at the video I made earlier on in the week, because I ended up taking a couple of profits on Tuesday morning, just because most of the options that I was trading then had already gone close to expiring to zero, and it was really early on in the week, so there was no reason to try to hold on longer and risk them getting in the money and potentially getting assigned. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.